Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see with the color on my lids and obviously from the title, this is the Hufflepuff Inspired Makeup tutorial, which is the end of my Hogwarts Inspired Mini Series. Maybe I'll recreate the looks another time, maybe I'll do something else Hogwarts related. I hope you like it and on to the video.
Begin by priming your eyes and setting the primer with a bony color. Then I use a bright yellow and blend it into my crease and under the eye. Using that same bone color I used earlier, I try to blend the upper part of the yellow more into my skin tone. Then I blend a black shadow into my crease. To create a better blend, I went back at it again with my yellow shadow. Then cut the crease in a way that some of the black shadow is still visible. Set the cut crease using the bright yellow shadow on the outer part of your lid and pack a light yellow shadow on the inner half of your lid. Blend those two a bit in the middle. Pop on a brow bone and inner corner highlight, and that's it for the eyeshadow. I create an eyeliner to tie the look together, and to make it seem that my eyes are bigger, I slide on a white eyeliner on my lower waterline. Prepare your eyelashes for falsies by using black mascara and, of course, add falsies. Then I highlight with a champagne color and put on some nude lipstick. I apologize for the lighting being different. I tried to create lips in yellow with an ombre to black, but after looking at it for a few hours, it came clear to me how much I hated that gradient. So I've asked some of my friends what to do, and we agreed that nude would be a perfect fit. So, that's it for my Hogwarts mini series. Which makeup was your favorite? Write a comment down below which makeup and why. Until next time, bye!